Welcome back, and today we have this Victorinox Swiss blade, and this model, there's many different models, and it seems like they produce the same knife or the same model, and then they just I guess remarket it and to a different name of a model. But anyway, this model is the Officer. You can see it's got the red, like a plastic or a polymer scale. On the outside you have tweezers, and then on the other side you have a toothpick. So some of the tools, you have a cork, a bottle, like for a wine bottle, or any beverage that has a cork. Then you have it's like an owl or a punch for maybe leather work. If you need to poke another hole in your belt, if you ate too much and you need to make another hole, or if you lost a lot of weight, you can make a hole in your leather belt. So on the other side you have the main blade, and none of these tools are locking. So this is a 2.5 inch blade. I believe it's just a stainless steel. Then you have a secondary blade. Here you have a can opener, and then a small tip for a Phillips or a flathead, or I guess you could use it for a Phillips if you're careful. Then you have a bottle opener with you could use this for like a prying tip, a light gentle pry, or a larger flathead. Then you have down here you have wire stripper. I just do this little lanyard here just so I can maybe hang it up like on a tree branch when you're using the knife. Instead of having to keep opening and close the knife, you can just leave the knife open and just hang it on like a little limb off a tree when you're maybe cutting some vegetables. But yeah, this is a very utilitarian knife, kind of like a a one tool that does it all. Has a lot of, this knife company has a lot of history, and what's very historic for me is that this knife was bought in Switzerland. At its, unfortunately not at the company, but close enough. It was bought in Switzerland, so it has a lot of sentimental value. But like I say, there's many different types. There's even one like this wide, and I guess it has like, I don't know how many hundred tools. Thing is crazy looking. It'd be kind of hard and awkward to carry it in your pocket. And there you have it. The Victorinox officer model, made in Switzerland. And until next time, have a great day.